It is also amazing today on the 18th of June 2023 we have, what's the address again? Hämeenkatu. 20 staircase, see?
Yeah.
I think I filled the staircase B, but I'm not sure, but
Yeah.
I think you can try B just in case later.
Yeah.
And there's the staircase D here.
Yeah.
So in Lahti, Finland, capacity is 7 persons and or 525 grams. Oh, it's knife horse, interesting. This younger is B1 in the 0276, built in 1989, turning 35 years old in the next year, 2024, when it's going to be inspected again. But that's probably the beginning of 1989. It's 1988 here also, in the same building and in the shopping center.
Yeah.
So this is the turn of the year 1988, 1989.
Yeah.
So it's even more interesting than I thought.
Yeah.
Cool. Deserves to right here.
Mm.
I love this panel. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
But A4 is like not the fourth basement for it.
Yeah.
But that A is like for auxiliary or car garage.
Yeah.
Yeah, automobile garage.
Yeah.
I think maybe the machine is a bit upgraded or...
No problem.
I like the smell in here.
Same here. Inspected by Vice that maintained by Koni.
Yeah. It's strange that there is no A3 here.
Yeah, but it's half floor and A1 also and A5 and on Soko's side they are called B1, B3 and B5.
Ah, I see. Yeah, that's the thing here.
Yeah.
That was the thing with the one that has the automatic doors.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's quite unusual.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this otherwise as much as you did.
That's it.